What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Today is April 3rd, 2024, local time 8:24 p.m. I will be analyzing Sofi. I call it Sofi, you can call it Sofi. I'm on daily charts. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on X, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Don't forget to press the bell icon for YouTube. And this is my X account where I have been actively posting trades. That's me right here. Um, I do a lot of SPY trades, so you will see a lot of SPY analysis here. Let's start the analysis really quick. So, if you're watching me here for the first time, you will understand while watching me, while listening to me, that I focus mostly on price action and then I go into momentum. Um let's start it and let me know. Anyways, let's go on yearly time frame, and the data that I see here is too little for me. Like, I don't honestly, I'm not against anything, but my thing is that I want good enough data to analyze charts. But anyways, this is getting popular, so we will analyze this. This is your yearly supply zone. So price is reacting from yearly supply zone. So price goes, this is your yearly supply zone. So price goes in here and then it starts reacting. So this is the reaction of yearly supply zone. So demand and supply, I'm gonna make you guys understand that it is based on pending orders. So when I'm saying that price has gone into yearly supply zone, that it means that price is actually collecting selling pending orders. Okay, so that's why this is how it reacts. So it made, look here. So it made a high of 1170. Excuse me. And this these are yearly candles. Okay, so price makes a high of 1170 and then it makes a low of 682, so almost 50%, almost 50% here. So let's go deeper and understand what's going on. Price is like not currently, but price is reacting from yearly supply zone. I will turn on the drawings and then you will have a better understanding. And this is another supply zone around $15. And if we look here, um, if we look here at the bottom, price has started making new demand zones. I've made a video on demand zone on YouTube. Go and watch it out for better understanding of what a demand and supply looks like. Let's go on quarterly and see what's happening. I see no supplies on quarterly. There was something here, but this was actually broken. But I do see no, this is not a demand zone. This is a poor like structure. Anyways, on monthly, it's making very poor structures, but all those poor structures are being held. So that's a good sign because all the demand zone, this is demand zone 1, this is demand zone 2, this is demand zone 3. So it is currently testing demand zone, this poor structure. This is very poor, but yeah, there are rules, set rules with which we can play. So I'm going to turn on the drawings now so that you will have a better understanding. So when I was telling you, let me move this. When I was saying that, price is actually, price actually started reacting from yearly supply. So this is what I was talking about. That's why it says YSZ. So it goes in and then boom. Let's go on quarterly. Uh, here, yeah, quarterly. I don't see anything on half yearly and quarterly. Now when I do go on monthly, this is a very poor structure, but it is actually inside yearly supply. That's why it's making it react. So this is the green candle which happened in the month of July last year. So it goes into the yearly supply zone, and this is how it starts reacting. Now it's been almost 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 9 month. So selling is distributed, which we can clearly see. Now, if I go deeper on monthly charts, you will see that inside this poor monthly structure, this is a very poor monthly structure. This is also a very poor monthly structure. This is a very good structure. Not very good, but decent enough to trade. These are poor structures. Structure number one, structure number two, poor. But inside this one, price comes here and it's reacting from weekly demand. So inside that poor monthly structure, we have weekly demand, and prices reacting currently visiting, and that demand zone, and it's reacting from there. Now, what I do see is that I don't see a breakout. Definitely, if you ask me that a breakout is coming, no, I don't see. If it comes, it comes. It's against the rules. I don't play against the rules. Now, if I look here for a breakout to come, price has to react from um, a higher time frame demand zone, say monthly, quarterly, yearly, right? But we don't have that thing. And on top of that, nothing is tested. Like, this is not like these supply zones can hold whatever orange lines, like these structures that you see. I will explain everything. The thing is that after reacting from monthly yearly supply zone, this was your green candle on monthly, this one. So on weekly, when you come down, on weekly you see this candle. So in July, right, it started reacting, and this is, it has made price go sideways. So this is your trend on monthly sideways, weekly sideways, and on daily it's down. Now what is happening is that while going up, price made poor monthly structure. Inside that monthly, we have this weekly. Now price is visiting this, and it is trying to go up. Okay, the best part is we do have momentum here. Okay, I do see momentum here. But again, if I go these trend, let me go on daily and show you what's happening. For a breakout to come, in the beginning of the video, I explained you that demand and supply is all about pending orders. So now, if a breakout has to come, first it has to test this structure. Okay, and for a breakout to come, you need a structure that can break out. I'm just explaining you what is logical. I don't do like illogical trades. Now, this is a very poor supply. This was actually tested, and it made price go down. Now this is a newly formed supply, and it has to be tested now. Now, which is 888, which is like 10% move from here roughly. But price is holding because it's inside monthly and weekly demand. Now this black line that you see is EMA 20, and then on weekly charts we do have an EMA 20 here, which should act as a resistance. So we do have momentum on weekly, and if you ask me, it can go here, $10. But if you need to stop as a trader, our job is to understand that, okay, if I do enter, what is my risk? So I'm going to show you the risk first of all here. So if you do enter here, and I'm saying it's going to go somewhere here, your risk should be here. So if you enter here around $7, so this is what your risk is. But if you are entering at current market price, which I often call as CMP, if you do enter there, you're not getting 1:2. So at CMP you should not take this trade. But if you do get it lower, you see you're getting perfect RR. But it has a lot of hurdles while going up. It can go up here to $10, but it has to test all these. Mark my words, it has to test this supply, then this supply, and then it will ultimately, because if price is going up, all these sellers will be a hurdle for the price. So I have marked all the hurdles. But while going up, buyers will also get exhausted, right? So you need to understand everything that we do have untested supply zones while going up, and this is all logical. So you will see this gap being filled up, and when people say gap is getting filled, it will get filled. That you need to understand logically. We have selling pending orders right here. So these pending orders will attract the price. Once price goes in here, all selling orders will trigger, and chances are it will go down. Now this can break. Why? Because price is actually reacting from monthly and weekly demand zone. Though it's a poor structure, let me hide this. So this is price is reacting from this, and inside this, I've explained you, there is this structure. Okay, this structure is weekly and monthly, combination of monthly and weekly, and this is which has to be tested is daily. So if it goes in, it's a beautiful structure. So it can stop price, but it can be breached as well, because this is actually a reaction of this structure. It's powerful. It can definitely stop the price. That's why I'm saying that let price do more and further action, then I will trade. Now, while going up, this is a very, very, very solid resistance here, which is your $8, near $8. It needs to hold here, and trust me, if price goes in here and comes back, then also you will find a lot of trades. But right now, if you are a risk taker, you can go ahead and trade it, but you need to understand your stop loss would be here, 679. And if you do continue to hold, then it's a problem. It's not 679. Let me turn on the drawings. We were trading on weekly, right? Yeah. So it's here, 630 something, 633. So if you do continue to hold, your next demand is right here. So I don't know. Like right now, it's too early to say go long, because trend is down. Like as per price action, you see trend is sideways, and that's how price changes its trend. So from down, it will not go up straight away. It will go sideways and then up. But that doesn't mean it's going to go up. But momentum is saying we have momentum, definite momentum here. But your risk is like, I don't like this RR. So if the deeper I go into time frames, the more the more beautiful RR I would be getting. So right now it's breaking this is a resistance, by the way, this green line. Let's make it red. So it's breaking the resistance, but again it needs to hold this level, 770. I need a closing above this, and then I can be sure, like not sure, but okay, then I can it will retrace, and then I can say okay, price can definitely go here. Or if it straight away goes here, then this will stop and make price retrace, and then I can enter. So you need to trade at the value. You're not trading anywhere, because right now you need to understand that uh, if price goes down, what is your backup plan? As a trader, we need to understand that these are your hurdles. And if I am long also, and say I don't really care about, like, if price goes here, uh, definitely I will get out here. I don't care. 945. Okay, that's who I am. Now a trader has to decide what to do. It's not bullish right now, but it's definitely breaking resistance resistances on smaller time frames. So that's pretty much it. Uh, it's all logical. EMA 20 of weekly will definitely stop the price. It should stop the price. That's what I've seen in the past. Now, if you do get the support from SPY, which is definitely bullish, then yeah, who knows? But that's pretty much it. I hope I was able to make you guys understand what SoFi can do in the future. If you did like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. Then my name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on X, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. That's my X account where I am actively posting trades. Okay, I am not trading this. I don't like to trade smaller stocks, because I feel there's a lot of manipulation, but it is what it is. And let's see. There's no breakout coming for sure. It will go slowly up. If price action lets us, enter, we will enter. Okay, take care. Have a wonderful trading day tomorrow. Bye bye.